Welcome back to Bitcoin Advisors channel. My name is Chris, bringing it to you here from Westlake Village, California. It is bright, it is beautiful, it is actually cloudy outside. All right, let's get into some Bitcoin price action, talk about some of the underlying market dynamics. Do me a favor, guys, if you are watching this video, smash the like button, share it with a friend. And yeah, we've been spot on with our targets. So always helpful if you know where the market is going. Again, we don't have a crystal ball, but we're going to use some TAs, some statistics, and take a look at the broader markets to kind of get a general idea where the market is going. And yeah, I'm just going to get into Bitcoin price action. Forget all the news. Forget about the jobless claims, the sales, home sales declining, S&P hitting the highest point ever, or highest point for the year. And Dallas Fed president said, yeah, we're going to likely hike rates. 25 basis points if she had it her way, of course, the conservative Dallas Fed. And jobless claims hit a 1.5-year high. I would say low. That was framed wrong. Continuing jobless claims went down yesterday. So I don't know what this is talking about. Existing home sales actually had a decline. And big tech is kind of leading the way in the stock market, but I imagine it is a bit of a bull trap. As we noted, dollar has been rallying to the moon. And I do think we have a bit more left in the gas tank as volatility just expanded off a very, very low level. So goosing the odds in the favor of the bears here. Also noted, we've been talking about this 4-day bearish divergence of the multiple drive variety on the 3-day, the 4-day, and giving us an overall target down to about 25,000 bucks. Does it happen today, or does it happen over the weekend? Or very likely, I think something does happen, because if momentum flips back around, closing today above 26,590 on the 2-day, you're going to have volatility expansion, and well, that'll line up for a bit of a bounce. So could it be a bit of a swing failure pattern? Closing back above 27.7 would look good for me. But really, if you're patient, you're waiting for kind of the green box of peace and prosperity to break to the upside. The 3-day volatility is beginning to increase. We regain the exponential here, and we're just looking for a little more liftoff. And then you expect price to go in the direction of the stochastic, which will cross back up above 28,555. And yeah, we just had another 3-day closure yesterday. The 4-day is going to close tomorrow. Volatility is just expanding off the lows, and the 5-day volatility is at a very, very low level. So expansion off that level is going to get us a pretty, probably pretty nasty move. 29.3 is a pivot for the 5-day. What else do we have? Goosing the odds in the favor of the bears. Well, yeah, many drives of bearish divergence there. Hidden bearish divergence on the weekly time frame as well. Already confirmed. And yes, I, called it 9 days ago, calling it again, more likely than not, we get a test to this downside target. And I think that's going to be it for me today, guys. What else I want to point out? Okay, S&P still looking bullish for a nice little bull trap. Trap those bulls. Where do the bull traps come in? At the 618. So do I think we stop there? Yeah, I would suspect a rejection there. Dixie is bullish. Dow is hanging in there. S&P, NASDAQ, is it getting above our beautiful line of peace and prosperity? Let's see. Remember, Bitcoin is just a big tech stock. It's a bank in cyberspace where you can hold your money and not care about anybody. There you go. 14.2. And even Bank of America strategist was saying, Michael Harnett, saying, look, sell at 4,200. Sell at 4,200. This is a little baby AI bubble. That's what he said. There he is. Bloomberg says sell at 4,200. Bull trap. Let's see if it holds true, guys. Let's see. Strategist recommend selling at 4,200. No, I do not accept your cookies, Bloomberg. Anyways, that's it for me today, guys. I hope you have a blessed and highly favored weekend. I will check back in with you on Monday. Take care.